Hello everyone, you're watching another video by Whiteabbey. It's that time of the month again, where it's the bi-weekly basis of coming here at Antrim. But we're only going to film one train here, and it's the 1347 to Londonderry. We can't really stay here for very long because I have a bus to catch at around 2:05 or 2:10. I don't know the exact time. But here comes the train. It looks like we're back in night mode again. Jack, if you're watching this, Antrim station level crossing's gone into night mode again. I've lost count of how many times it's done that. There's 4014 there. Time now is 13:46 on Monday the 29th of January 2024. This will be for your 1347 expected 48 Northern Ireland Railway service to Londonderry. I was actually here early this morning but didn't record. It was on 416, so I decided to get the train to go from Mossley West. Something I have not done since around December 2022. Thought I would change things up a wee bit. There's no harm in trying anything new. Well, unless it's bungee jumping, I wouldn't recommend doing that. I'm not saying I have done that, but I've heard from other sources that it may not be the most advisable thing to do. Just leaving now. I've got to move. Driver must know me or something.
Ah, maybe. You're getting famous around these bits.
Yeah. I've been filming here for 4 years anyway.
I think you recognise it.
Yeah. You've also commented on a few of my videos as well. You have also commented on a few of my videos as well. Yeah, I remember that one. Last year where I tried to start that box on Signia.
When do you think this one will be going up?
When at this one?
Yeah.
Tonight probably.
Oh, you know what? Make sure you like and subscribe.
Oh, no, they can't see you.
Okay, make sure you like and subscribe.
Okay.
Big up to Whiteabbey.
I'll listen. Everyone's going to listen to you, Noah.
I've got a